Welcome to ClarityGrit, where we break down the psychology of growth, confidence, and self-respect. Have you ever noticed how some people never chase conversations, yet everyone talks to them first? It looks like magic, but it is not magic. It is psychology. And once you understand it, you stop begging for attention, and people start coming to you without you lifting a finger. Here is the truth most people never admit. The harder you try to be noticed, the more invisible you become. People sense desperation the same way they sense confidence. One pulls them toward you, the other pushes them away. To get people to talk to you first, change your energy. And it is a lot easier than you think. This matters because your relationships shape your career, your social life, and even your identity. The way you speak, the way you enter a room, and the way you hold yourself all send signals long before you ever say a word. If those signals say clingy or needy, people avoid you. If they say grounded, calm, or centered, they approach you without hesitation. Today you will learn how to send the right signals so people feel comfortable starting conversations with you. The first shift is simple. Become someone who looks already occupied, someone who seems absorbed in their own life. People gravitate towards someone who is not waiting for them. Think about someone scrolling their phone while pretending to look busy. That never works. People can feel the act. Now imagine someone reading a book they enjoy or working on something real or just sitting with calm confidence. No fake engagement, no forced energy. They look like their life is already full. And because there is no pressure, people feel safe walking up to them. That is what you want to project. Presence, calm, self-interest instead of audience hunting. The second shift is the power of the subtle invitation. You never chase, but you never shut people out either. When you make soft eye contact once and then look away or give a small smile that disappears in a second, you create a silent invitation. It is gentle, it is low pressure, and it makes the other person feel like the door is open if they want to talk. Humans are wired to pick up on tiny signals. When someone catches you looking and then sees you look away like it was not a big deal, it creates curiosity. It signals confidence without neediness. You are saying, I see you, but I am good either way. That is very attractive energy. The third shift is to speak last. This is a skill most people never master. When you enter a group, do not rush to introduce yourself or jump into the conversation. Listen first. Observe the flow. Let people talk. People are drawn to someone who is not fighting for the spotlight. And after a minute or two, someone will naturally turn to you and ask a question. It might be something small like, what do you think? Or where are you from? Or even, what is your name? They start the conversation because your silence feels intentional, not awkward. You are present without trying to dominate the moment. And once someone opens the door, the entire group follows. Speaking last makes you look calm and confident, and people are drawn to that. The fourth shift is to use your body language to signal approachability. Not fake enthusiasm, not forced smiles, simple open posture. Chin slightly lifted, shoulders relaxed, feet not pointed toward the exit. These small cues show that you are not closed off. People subconsciously read your posture long before your words. If you look tense, guarded, or irritated, no one approaches you. If you look relaxed, grounded, and at ease, people feel safe talking to you. It is that simple. And the best part is that none of this requires you to perform or act. You just remove the behaviors that scare people away. Here is the real secret behind all these shifts. People talk to you first when they feel you do not need them but you would welcome them. That balance is powerful. It makes people feel valued instead of used. It makes you appear confident instead of lonely. And confidence is the strongest magnet you can have in any social situation. Before we wrap up, take a breath and think about the message here. You do not get attention by chasing it. You get attention by grounding yourself. When your life looks full, people want to be part of it. When your energy feels light, people step toward you. When you appear calm, people open up. These behaviors transform the way others respond to you even if you say very little. Your takeaway is simple. Stop forcing connections. Stop trying to be interesting. Become present. Become calm. Become someone who does not need anyone yet respects everyone. That energy makes people talk to you first without effort. If this helped you, take a second to think about one area of your life where you push too hard for attention. Reflect on it in the comments. Like the video if it gave you clarity. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. And subscribe for more psychology-driven growth content. This is ClarityGrit. Stay strong, stay clear, and keep growing.